Meaning of focal point.
Focal point.
Focal point.
Focal point.
Focal point. A focal point is a central or important point of focus. It can refer to both physical objects and abstract concepts. In the context of a physical object, the focal point is the point at which light rays meet or appear to diverge from. This point is used in photography and optics to adjust focus and depth of field. In an abstract sense, the focal point refers to a central idea or issue that is particularly important or emphasized in a discussion, argument, or work of art.